So let me right click on this project explorer and new. Let me take project, and it's a Java project. What I need to take here, this here Java project, and just select the Java project, and you can simply click on next, and you can give the project name. Let me write a sample project. As if now it's a sample project, com.sample, a sample project I am trying to create, and just click on finish. A project has been successfully created. In the project, as I said earlier, we are going to create a package. Just click on finish. So here we have com.project, and once I have created a project, JRE system libraries has been automatically added, and we have SRC. So let's create a package under SRC, or else right click on the project. Just right click on the project, com.sample. Just click on new, and it's a package. It's a package. Okay, so com.sample.src is the source, and this is the name. So I'm trying to create a name. So you can give any name for the package. Let me take new package. New package, and just click on finish. So I've created a package. Under package, I'm creating a class. Right click on it. Just click on new class. It's a test case where I'm going to write my test case. We can give the class name, but as if now, make sure to give the class name which start with uppercase. First test is my class name, because it's the first test what I'm conducting on Selenium, right? So make sure to select public static void main. What is this public static void main and how to use it? We'll discuss. Just click on finish. Yep. So I have created a package. Under package, I have created a new class that is first test. You can see few information on the screen now. Let's discuss what is this. So here we have a package name, that is new package, and this is the class name. So class is starting here and it ends here. In the class we have a main method. As if now, just concentrate on this public static void main. Public is access modifier, just as if now. Okay, so we have few things to discuss, that will be leisurely discuss on that. So here we have a main, and the main block starts here and ends here. Means whatever the script you want to write, you need to write it in the main block, as if now. Okay, so as we go in, we need to discuss a lot of things on it, but see here we need to have main, and we have a main here, public static void main string arguments. So just the script what you are going to write should be in this code block, in this flower braces, or is in this curly braces you need to write it. This is the first thing what we need to understand. And your script should be in main. What does a main indicates? Once we run the test, the script which is in a main will be executed first. That is what the specialty of main, as if now. Okay, so how it internally execute, how it compiles, that we'll see while working about a Java. No need to worry about now, as if now. Clear? Yep. So this is what I have created a package. So let's see whether my Java is successfully working or not. So I'm not writing any Selenium script. A simple system.out.println I am writing, and I am trying to print something into the console. Okay. System.out.println. And I'm going to print some text into the console. This is my JavaScript. It's my first JavaScript. And at the end of the statement, make sure to close it with colon, semicolon, I mean to say. So I have created a main and a class in that have a main in that have system.out.println, and once I run the test, it will be printing that in the console. Okay, so let me save the test. You can just click on this run. Here we have a run, a green color button, or else right click on the screen and you can just simply click on run. Okay, so run as Java application. Let me run it. So this will execute the script, will compile, it will execute, and it will give the things in the console. You can see that on the console. This is my first JavaScript. So it has been successfully executed. Perfect. Fine. Everything is going good. The very next activity is, let's try to take the Selenium in. Okay, so to download the Selenium, so let's move on to the official website of Selenium. seleniumhq.org is official website. So let's move on to that. seleniumhq.org, just scroll down and here we can see Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings. In that, the official binding Java, it's 3.10 right now in the market, which is released on so and so date. So let's go ahead and let's click on download 3.1.0 and just click on save. It is getting downloaded. Let it download. After that, we need to unzip it and let's add that into the respective project so that your project will understand Selenium from now. So see here we have a Eclipse, it is running, everything is fine, but this, if I write any Selenium code here, it will not work. It will not understand actually. It will throw an error message. Yep, because it doesn't have ID on Selenium yet. I have not given the Selenium's information to it. So just have downloaded the Selenium Java jars. Okay, we have successfully downloaded the Selenium jars. You can see that on the screen, Selenium Java 3.1.0 zip. Just right click on it and you can simply extract. Just let me extract it to Selenium Java 3.1.0 and just click on OK. For extracting it, just try to find the folder. Selenium Java 3.1.0. This is the one. And we have a few libraries here. We need to add these libraries. This is one library what we have. And in the libs folders also we have some libraries. We need to add these libraries to the respective project. So let's move on to the project in Eclipse. Right click on the project explorer. Sorry, right click on the project and click on properties. Right click on the project, go to properties, just move on to the Java build path and just click on this libraries, and you can just click on add external jars and go to the folder where we have the jars. It is Selenium 3.1.0. Open it up and here we have one jar, add it. See here, the one jar is added up. Again click on add external jars. Now move on to libs folder and all the jars, add all the jars to it. Just click on open. Means we have added completely the jars what we have in our folder. Just click on apply. Okay. Now, so-called this com.sample project has capability of understanding Selenium classes and methods. Once I write a Selenium script here, it will be successfully executed. Clear? So this is all about the installation of or configuration of Selenium. Okay, and here we have done with Java JDK, we have done with Eclipse, we have done with Selenium jars. So everything has been successfully done. Next, directly we'll start working with an important concept called Selenium. So before to that, a very important point to be noted. It's for everyone, guys. Very important note. So if you are from IT background or having a bit knowledge on Java, you can straight away watch my next section without any problem. But if you are new to IT or else if you are very much new to Java programming, then first go ahead and watch few of my videos in Java section, a few videos in Java section, then come back and watch the Selenium videos. So as if now this is common for everyone. From now, if you are from IT background, just go ahead with the next session without any problem. But if you are new to IT or else if you have been very new to your Java programming, I request you to go to my Java section, and in the Java section just take 3 or 4 classes and come back for the first class on Selenium.